Hey guys, if your Windows search bar is not working properly, you can learn how to fix it through this video. So, without further ado, let's start the video. First of all, press Windows plus R. Then type services.msc. Now click on OK. Here, find Windows Search. Now right-click on Windows Search. Here, click on Properties. Here, check if Startup Type is Automatic Delayed Start. Then click on OK. Again, right-click on Windows Search and click on Restart. This will solve the problem in your Windows search bar. There is another way to solve this problem. Type Windows plus R again. Then enter this command, which you will find in the description of this video. Then click on OK. This will solve this problem. Now, if your problem is not solved, then you can apply this method. For this, right-click on the Windows button below, then click on Task Manager. Here, find Windows Explorer. Then right-click on Windows Explorer and click on Restart. As a result, the problem in your Windows search bar will be solved. If you want to get more informative videos like this, subscribe to the channel and like it. You can comment on any problems you have. Thanks for watching.